Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is another video for my Christmas series / vlogmas. I didn't really do vlogmas this year, but let's get into this video. So I will be making or doing this green Christmas inspired look with a popping red lip, of course. So if you want to know how I got this look, just keep on watching. All the product details will be listed down below. Yeah, so just check the description box if you want to know the products that I use, and I will try to list them in the order that I use them because I'm not doing a full voiceover today again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave some comments down below. Show some love to your girl. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss uploads from me. And let's go ahead and get into this banging look.